Hello viewers, welcome in another episode. Today will be another episode with car in 1/18 scale. This time from Maxichamps, older but still very nice model of Mercedes 190. But before we will go and look at it, I want to wish you Merry Christmas. Stay healthy, spend it with family, friends, or in a way you want to spend it. Have a lot of fun, be happy. I wish you gifts. I know that some won't be just spending it as Christmas, just as holidays, but it's same for you. May it be the best time of your life. You deserve it. And be happy. Back to model. I already prepared it to present. That's typical protecting element, plastic one. We can see this is Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.5 16 valve Evo 1 from 1990 season. Driver is Jörg von Omen, team MS Jet Racing, and I can tell you that's not the end of the season, because at the end of the season, I don't remember, it was 3 or 4, just few last ones. He was driving Evo 2 and it was same for 1991. He wasn't very successful, but it's about this beautiful car. It is limited, it's not new, that's one of old Maxichamps. I still love it. I bought it very cheap with a BMW M1, which I already presented. And now I will present this one. By the way, we have two antennas on the roof, and one of those antennas was stored there. I can understand why, because it would be too tall, it would be easy to damage. So we can remove it, we can put it back depending how we want to present it. For the sake of presentation, antenna will be there. It's not as high quality as modern Maxichamps would be, but it's still very nice model. And you can already see, just by the way they made headlamps and indicators, how accurate it is. This texture on the headlamps and indicators is really nice. We have badge, we have that aiming circle. There is no safety yokes, etc. here, just decals. Clips are very simple. As for something that expensive when it was just released, that's not as good as some much cheaper brands now. But again, this isn't new model. We have wiper blade, single one. That's something very characteristic for Mercedes 190e. And by the way, E means is electric fuel injection. There were 190 with carburetors. Wheels very nice. We have brake discs, caliper looks okay. We can even see valve there, which is nice thing. Door handles, well made. List of sponsors, team paint job, Decra number 17. Rear wheels as nice as the front ones. Yellow wing, very nice exhaust, tail lamps, the proper branding, now 190E, 2.5 16 valve, Castrol, in money modern. This would be made more 3D probably, and in many cases we could open doors or trunk or bonnet. Not in this one, but I don't mind. I'm a huge fan of Merc 190E, and this is very cool casting. It is heavy. Inside we can see safety cage, we can see central console with switches. There is really nice steering wheel, proper steering wheel, and on dashboard you can see gauges and displays. Bucket seat, we can see harness. It's a little bit too simple, it's just decals, and on the bottom we can see anything, but it is nice anyway. Even door handles, those are proper door handles, not just a part of casting with no hole. There is gap there. Two antennas. I really like this model. So this is all for today's video. Again, all the best for all of you. I really wish you this time would be fantastic time for you. And because it's holiday time, I will publish my videos more often. That could be a bad thing for some, but some people maybe will be willing to watch it. So this video on Christmas Eve. Next on the first day there will be another video on the second day as well, and then back to normal schedule. So on Saturday there will be a regular video as well. Apart from those regular videos, I will put some shorts, because maybe someone had less time and or don't want to listen to my talking. Maybe someone just want to see something much shorter, or maybe someone will watch all of those. It's your choice. This is Christmas time, holiday time, so I encourage you to spend it the way you will like it, you will enjoy it, even if it means you won't watch videos. That's the time when we can watch something, or when we can spend it with our families, friends, and people we like. And that's how it should be. That's all for today's video. See you soon. Bye bye.